What's up, guys? Today we're going to show you how to make a motorized green screen.
Fabric.
Boom.
Now you're gonna watch him sew. Thank you for watching our video.
Hopefully this helps you out.
If you like what you see, please subscribe.
Make sure to turn on notifications for future videos.
And give us a big thumbs up!
Also, if you have questions about this video or just want to hang out,
We stream every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Until then,
we will see you later. Oh.